In Henderson, Colorado, you'll often find Josh and Matthew Fielder at their home away from home, the lacrosse field. Lacrosse is their favorite sport, a great form of exercise.
We're practicing lacrosse to get better and build bonds with teammates.
Lacrosse also helps these teenagers' lungs. Both boys have cystic fibrosis, a disorder marked by lung infections and digestive problems that requires them to spend hours each day clearing mucus from their airways and doing other treatments.
It's definitely a different lifestyle. You have to get used to all the treatments and medication. It takes time.
Not long ago, the Fielders added this drug to their mix of therapies. Orkambi is an oral tablet that treats patients with a genetic mutation that's a leading cause of cystic fibrosis.
This is one that is targeting the basic defect, the protein abnormality in the body, so we do think of it as a disease-modifying treatment, one that will be life-extending for individuals with cystic fibrosis.
Dr. Scott Sagel, the Fielders doctor, says the results have been encouraging.
I do sense some clinical improvement.
Josh and Matthew's lung function and energy are up.
It's helped me with physical and just life in general.
Orkambi does not come cheaply. The drug costs close to $300,000 US per patient per year. U.S. healthcare generally covers patients like the Fielders. Access to the drug is much tougher in places like Europe.
When you have a rare disease, by its mere definition, you only have a few patients at which to divide the cost out.
Katie Murphy of Cystic Fibrosis Ireland says Orkambi is so expensive, her country's public health service won't prescribe the drug. Not yet.
I have friends with CF who could benefit from this therapy. I'm speaking with parents of children who are really, very anxious, of course, understandably, to get access to another therapy for their children.
Josh and Matthew's mother says Orkambi has given her family new hope.
It definitely does, because when you're told your, kid's life might be cut short, that's, huge.
Heather Fielder says each new drug could help prolong her son's lives and make the challenge of living with cystic fibrosis a little easier. As long as they do what they're supposed to do, she says, the world is theirs. Hendrik, Sybrandy, CCTV, Denver.